Hello, I'm back, and I think I have enough newfound energy to finish this part of today's tasks. With a clean working copy, we're able to send and receive read receipts. I just realized that there is a chance that somebody is only lurking in the conversation, and we should ensure that the users are loaded for all receipts. For receipts dot flat map, no, compact map. Um, Sender ID. Well, then again, they can see a compact map. I think it can just be, yeah. Okay. Um, we we have a couple of things to do here, and I kind of like the newfound ability to work with paper, so I'm going to be writing this down. Is the screen sharing active? It is not. So let's reactivate it. Okay. Hmm. This doesn't seem to be working. Maybe it always just takes a couple of tries. Maybe I shouldn't be. Oh no, my screen share is frozen. Uh, I've had this issue before. And the sound doesn't work either. Okay, now you can hear the music again. I'm so sorry for the monologue that you've been listening to. I didn't change a lot of stuff. Luckily, I only added the ensure user loaded for all the read receipts that we get. Um, and I'm currently trying to set up my Remarkable again, but it's not working. Is it working now? It is not working. I think I need to restart the Remarkable app. Let's try this again. It's not working. What I did last time is I started the screen share and then I started the app. I'm not sure if that makes a difference. No. Oh, remarkable, remarkable, remarkable. Why do you build such shitty software? I don't really have any other ideas of how to do this. I'm gonna be trying it a million times now. You fuckers should be better at building real-time software. Oh man. How long does it take to sync if I draw something here? Probably too long, huh? Yeah, it's not real time at all. Not real time at all. Oh, now it's working. Maybe I just had to make some changes to the document so that it syncs once. Okay, finally. That took way too many tries. Here we go. So we want to have the little message bubble video check mark. This is a UI component we have to build. Then on tab, we do two things. We open the one-time video player, and we delete highlight from server. Then the next thing we need is to record. Okay, second up, add everything red until. So if you open the chat and there's like 3 messages that you've previously seen, and then there's 4 more that you're seeing afterwards, then you want to record from here to there as your new read marker. And this is then the check mark. So this is what you've read before, this is what you've read after. And we only want to record a video file. I mean, this must have had a recording beforehand, and then this one we get a new recording for. Maybe we should actually display this little marker so that you know what is getting recorded currently. Maybe we pulse these or something, or we make them seem more important, and then the animation stops. Well, let's worry about that later. We need to get the bare functionality working first. So we should have the functionality to find the latest message that is unread that we want to add the marker to. We want to have the server endpoint, so we have client, we have server, and this. Oh my god, I'm getting one sec. Tech support. Okay. What was I doing? I think I was almost done planning what to do next. So this one needs server and client as well. Let's get started with this one. Let's build the UI. Ooh. I think we have to design our own icon for this, which is rough. Because this is a component that we created ourselves. Let's copy this and give it like its own thing. Where are you? There you are. Okay. So we just want it to be black for now. I don't know. Let's break this up. It's just black. We don't have any effects on it. We don't have any stroke. Nothing going on. Just black image. And then we can hopefully export this as an SVG. I don't remember if Xcode by now lets you add SVG assets, but we can try. Seems to be working. So we give this one a single scale. It is rendered as template image. It doesn't have any appearance. I think we want to preserve vector data. I don't know. Probably doesn't hurt to add the check mark. And then let's see if we're able to add this to our little message row. So we are going to have a boolean of type as a check mark, which is receipt.filter as first where not no. First where file ID not no, and sender is different from user state, but we need auth state as well. User auth state dot user ID. Because I want to give the text bubble a padding at the bottom of as a check mark H otherwise 0. And then we overlay bubble content. What is this? Do we need this? I don't know right now. Anyway, overlay with an alignment of bottom railing, probably. Has a check mark. If it has a check mark. Image. Oh, what name did we give it? It's not subtract, it's video check. Image name video check. Dot resizable bit aspect ratio bit height of 10. Let's see what this looks like. I guess we can do iPhone 14 Pro simulator. That didn't really work. Maybe you want the thing to be on the right. Probably. But nothing has a check mark. Because we don't have any follow-these yet. Okay. Let's just return true for now and fix this later. Well, if message is mine, otherwise it doesn't really make sense. If has a check mark. Oh, yeah. Well, good job. Let's try this again. And we do want to give it... Wait, okay. Check marks. View builder, var, check marks. Some view. Receipts, filter. No, for each. Foreground color, $0.color. And now we go to the user, which has a color property, I hope. Where have we defined the color? Okay, we want to have the same thing on the receipt. Var color. State dot user state dot user state. Import with UI. Yeah, okay. So it's not received for each, it's for each receipts. And then this whole jazz. Some view has no member size. Well, that is probably correct. That's probably correct. Let's try this again. Nice. That's looking pretty good. Let's make it like way bigger. Let's also give this padding to leading of like -12. Nice. Trailing of like 8 probably. And this gets the brutal shadow times 0.6, I think. Man, we're looking good. I think 0.6 might be a bit much. Wait, what does it look like in Figma? The shadow on this thing. Yeah, so we're trying to still see the white inside. We just make it bigger? Maybe. Maybe we try 24? Dude, how is it possible that this has a hole in it and this one is filled? I know why. Because the border is part of... So... like if we put child here instead of border, then the chat looks like shit. But this thing is gonna look better. Not even. Here's my thinking. Let's make the hole bigger. I think we just, okay, I mean, first of all, we fixed this. Then I think we have to make this one even bigger. So let's go with 28. And I think we do have to make this hole smaller. So we'll go with 0.5. And let's see what it looks like now. It's starting to get there. But it is absolutely humongous. So how about we instead just go with 0.1 and make this size 18. Doesn't really look right. Doesn't really look right. Better, but not quite there. Like if we take a screenshot, I think it gets copied to clipboard, right? On preview. Yeah, this looks like shit. I don't think we can go below 0.5. That's what I'm thinking. But now it's fully black, which is not what I'm going for. How does this one look so much better? Okay, so unfortunately, I think we have to again edit the vector, move this inwards, move this inward. Make this a lot bigger. This doesn't look quite right. I think these have to be a bit higher up. Yeah? Still not quite right. Like you can see this little bent. Maybe I'll just move you there. Yeah, okay. So now hopefully it works. We can make it a tiny bit smaller. And like center it somewhat in the thing. Let's give it a shot. Export SVG, save, replace. Go to assets, take this little guy and remove it. And take this little guy to replace it. Observe, single scale, and template image. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, that's the good stuff. Okay, perfect. I'm very happy with this. So when we tap it, that's when we want to see the reaction. Cool. Well, has check mark doesn't even exist anymore. Video receipts. Receipt. And it's receipts.filter. And then we probably want to reinvent the file. Okay. There we go. We have built the UI successfully, I think. Of course, you know, none of these actually have any video receipts to them. But we can check off this little guy. Now, untap. Open one-time player and delete field from zip. Not field, file ID. I mean, file ID is a field. But anyway. Cool. Well, the untap comes into play. Where does the untap come into play? Video player. See, I feel like... Well, what happens if we add a untap gesture to the bubble? Or to the body, I guess. Untap. Is it gonna stop the propagation of the event, or is the video still gonna full screen? Let's check. Man, we really need the UI for uploading videos, that's for sure. It's still full screens. Great. What if we hit test false in the bubble? Well, now it doesn't. I guess we have to overlay a color.clear with a text issue representation. I think then it's gonna block it, right? Or, well, I guess it's not clear. It's like white with an opacity of 001. Yeah, that's right. If video receipts is empty, play receipt. On play receipt. State dot video state dot postring videos equal to receipts dot first dot quality. Huh? You're full of it. Wait. Main actually got run. State video state Falcon video is M3 at URL, which is URL with file extension. The URL. Oh my god. I still don't know what the hell is happening here. It's not a method, it's a computed property. What? What the heck? I'm at a loss. Jesus Christ. Receipt throws bool? What are you talking about? Clean the export cache. Like something isn't kosher here. Let receipt is this one. Receipt question mark dot file ID. No? This is one of those weird SwiftUI bugs. There's like something extremely weird going on here. Play receipt. Okay, how would we give it a file ID text string? And then just use file ID. And we play video receipts on first dot file ID. Okay, well that seems to go a lot better. And it's weird, isn't it? That I can't execute the method with the state, the computer property. If let receipt is equal to video receipt start first. I think that makes a lot more sense. And then we can say first of file ID. And we have to add the label to the method. Yeah, got it. File ID. There we go. And now we have to turn the file ID into a URL. Like this. This should work, right? Let's import this. Draw string. This. Okay, now it should finally compile. Wow, that took a while, huh? That took a while. Look. Okay, so I think now we should be able to play the receipt. Receipt. So we have a type receipt, and then first at all of these equal to receipt. All of the else. Return. And here we do await API dot saw receipt. So now we add a new public static saw receipt. Receipt is a type receipt. It's asynchronous. And we await API dot post. No, rest dot post. URL path saw receipt. With UID receipt. UID. Let's JSON is equal to if JSON tag not 200 return. Main actor state dot messages receipts for each if file0.uid is equal to receipt.uid then all your dots. I believe so. Fuck. What's your problem? Shoot. I don't think that's true. Async call a function that does not support concurrency. Oh. Let's try this then. Okay, I think we just added client-side marking receipt as seen. Now, next up, I want to post all receipt view. We get the UUID. We never return any response except for success. And then we do receipt objects filter UUID is equal to UUID dot update maybe is equal to none. I'm sorry about that. Where was I? So our receipt is getting posted, and we filter all receipts by UUID, and we set their file ID to none. I think that's sufficient. And since there's only ever one client seeing, well, I guess if you have two phones, so we should actually Redis write Uh, mm, request.user.pk. Receipt.message.convo.id. Receipt and that as a format. Well, date time dot now dot as a format. Receipts. Receipt is equal to receipt objects get clearly. Request user PK receipt message convoy. One time is equal to false. State video state one time is equal to true. If let so one-time view would be the type bool, and we return environment object var video state of type video state dot one time. Yeah, okay. So that should be correct. This is like the code that I'm least confident in, because I'm not 100% sure if receipt.message.convoid is even defined, but I think it should be. Like if I get the receipt by UUID, well, let's just run a shell, huh? We should be able to get receipts objects first. If only I could check only a type, that would be amazing. R.UUID, okay, so we do receipt objects get UID equals R.UID and then message.convo ID. Does that work? Yeah. And if we put that in a format string, I'm sure it would just return a string for us. Nice. And that's the red is right that we want. I guess it is a little bit problematic if two receipts get sent at the exact same time. No, I don't think it's a problem, to be quite honest with you. So how about we just say now is equal to right here before all the database access accessed, and it should be fine. Cool. Nice. And now we just go to our URLs and we add and use our receipt view URL. Okay. And I think the viewing of receipts is now completely done. So we can take a look at the to-do list, and we're done with this, and this, 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 and this. Now we just have to record the whole thing, add everything re-enter, and then thirdly, record receipt videos. I mean, maybe. Okay, give me 1 minute. I'll be right back. So I'm not entirely sure what is the best way to get all messages that are older than a time t and that have no read receipts from a given user. Oh my god. And I'm pretty sure we can't query by receipt count. So message objects filter receipt count is equal to 0 doesn't work. Unsupported lookup count for many to one relation. let's Google it. Sure. This is from my offices. You're welcome. I'm doxing myself. Django filter many to one exists. For a given channel, you can filter with yeah, but it's not many to many, it's many to one. Not many to none, many to one. To filter users who do not have reports associated with them, try this. This is horrible. This was written in 2013. See the other answers for better purchase of newer versions of Django. As of Django 3.0, you can use expressions directly in a filter, removing the unnecessary SQL clause. Yes, there we go. Which version of Django are we using though? Probably version 3. There's literally no chance that I'm not using the latest version of Django. I'm just curious. Yeah, we're already up to version 4. I've been using version 2 a couple years ago. I remember switching to 3 was a pretty big deal. So I think exist. You import from Django docs database. Django.tb import exist. Queries. Models. Let's see if this works. So we have message, objects, filter, not exist. Receipt, objects, filter. So this should give me all the receipts, all the messages with no receipts. Autoref is not defined. Yes. Nice. For m print m dot receipt that's dot count. And they should all be 0. Yes. And then if I don't negate this, and we print it, then we will get values that are not 0. Okay. Yeah, so let's make a new service for this. Let's call it Mark 3 Vias Red apply. Mark 3 Vias Red. for request, and I think that's it. Thread import thread. So here we would take, what did I name this parameter? Also mark types. Yeah, let's call it mark previous types equals request.get mark previous types. If not, mark previous types return. And here we would now import these and do this kind of filtering. Message objects filter user equals request.user. It's not user, it's not exist. And type in previous types. What's your problem? There's no argument flows. Okay. Let's do it this way. Dude, the auto formatting here is kind of horrible. Okay. So we're filtering for receipts. Message objects filter. On row. Equals message dot envo and send at is less than message dot envo. Sender equals request.user. Right? Is that true? I think so. And then we say for message in the previous message in. And then we store a new send read receipt. There we go. If message sender ID equals to VPK. So we actually want to exclude sender ID equals request. That works, right? Exclude. Message. Message objects filter. Dot exclude. Sender username equal to admin. Count 6. Filter 0. And total velocity 6. Okay. Yo. What I'm currently doing is marking all messages as read that have been sent before the read receipt that we're sending right now for a new message, but we're excluding all types that have to be manually marked as read, namely video file. So we're only marking all text and images as read. So we store a new receipt for these other messages. Message ID is the previous message. Sender is requested user and challenge is equal to me. And I do think we want to order on and tabs. Nice. Mark previous types. So now we are able to send read receipts for 2 different kinds of messages. So let's send actual read receipts, huh? Wait, is the server complaining about anything? No, we seem to be good. Let's just quickly go back into one thread to see if everything's still fine. Yeah, I think we're good. Okay. And new logic to mark all ref messages. Ooh. Oh boy. Did I commit anything weird that shouldn't have been committed? Oh, I don't think so. I think this is all proper. All proper. Okay. Now so this is gonna go because we don't want to send a receipt for every single bubble. How about we add if message dot ID is equal to message dot messages dot first dot ID. Return. Only the very first message gets including previous is true. The send receipt now has including previous bool equal to false. The parameters if including previous is adding a new field, which we just called mark previous types, except the cases. Mark previous types is equal to mtype dot text dot raw value and mtype dot image dot raw value. So everything except for video. And the sound value of string to. You do have a pointer. So how about we just do string hashable? String any hashable to JSON date, aka well, let's say it's a JSON date. Nice. Can we even do let? Probably not. No. Okay. Now the only thing that's actually left is to record the video responses. Jesus Christ. It's set. Published var last non-video message. Last non-video message is messages at first where our type is not type video raw value. Back to message row. There's actually a text string. Remove only send on receipt for all unseen messages. Wow, this stuff is fucking complicated, man. I'm kinda hungry, which is not great. This makes thinking a lot more difficult. Okay. Done, 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 done. Next up is this stuff. So, in order to do this, we want to have a new state, probably, or just enhance the recorder state. With recording for message, which is of type message question mark, because this thing has like a multi-step process where it stops previous recording. Then it records for a maximum of 30 seconds. And then it uploads the file, and then we send receipt with highlighted. So there's a couple of steps that are required for this. It's not going to be super easy to do this. Right now the recorder state has it's sending like a video message, right, to the chat, which is definitely not what we want to do. And we also have to make sure that we add the whole logic listing upload tasks at some point. That's going to be super duper fun. Super duper duper fun. I got like 2 hours. Let's see how far we can get with this. How much battery does my phone have? Enough. Okay. Recorder state, record for message. Stop recording. Handle upload. Okay. So I guess handle upload, handle reaction upload for URL. No, for message with URL. Wait for upload processing, and then we send receipt for message right? That sounds about right. So we actually handle the action upload for message with audio. Cannot find the message in scope. Maybe you are now a message you got promoted. I don't think we need the convo ID anymore. There's no initializers. Yes. That's right. Portlet message equals message else return. Okay. See, the thing is, oh well, this is already in the task. That's pretty cool. So, how about we maybe this just works. Let's see. Let's see. So this is gonna have trouble. Yeah. No enabled connections. Yeah. If session inputs dot is empty, return. That's better. Okay. Next up, let's run this on my phone. Let's see what happens. Unable to install C. Oh, that's always great to hear. QuickTime. So currently, we're watching a video, so it's not going to upload the reaction. We have to do the whole blurring first time video watching thing later. But let's just send a text message for now. This should start the green dot. It should record a 10-second reaction to this video, and then upload it to the server and send a video reaction. Okay, the 10-second thing seems to have worked. Now it's gonna upload the file and process it. And once that's done, it should send it as a receipt. Well, let's see if that works. That does not seem to work. Request has not attribute get. Oh, that's because I wanted to say request dot data dot get. Let's try this again. I'm sending a text message. It's starting to record, hence the green dot that I can't put my mouse over because it shows the status bar of QuickTime. The green dot, which is below my cursor right here, is appearing after 10 seconds. Then it takes about 3 seconds to upload the video file, maybe another 3 to... It's starting to record, hence the green dot that I... My goodness. It is actually working. That's fucking insane, dude. So this part is not working yet, which is probably because this is not reactive. I bet if I reopen it, the checkmark is gone. Oh my god, I'm the fucking man. Oh, I love this so much. We're recording video reactions live to messages that we see for the first time. So let's say I'm sending poop. Poop! No way! That's crazy. And now we can see this reaction live. Poop! No way! No, it's not playing because it's the fucking simulator. That's crazy. I need a second phone. Well, we can kind of cheat and open this in Finder and take a look at the latest, and we'll be fine. This is so fucking stupid, dude. I love it so much. Okay. Wait, why did it take so long to disappear, though? Like, it should disappear immediately. Let's see. If I'm tapping, record directions. Do text messages, I should say, because video messages we're not yet doing. But should be pretty easy to add. Wow. You have no idea how happy I am that this just works. The one thing I'm a little bit worried about is the persisting of all of this kind of stuff. It might take a while to complete, but we'll get there eventually. I've done a persistent task queue that gets stored on the device so many times before, so it shouldn't get too complicated. Okay, anyway, message row, tap. Bubble, text bubble, blah, 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 blah. A receipt, there it is. So why does this not work, huh? Receipts dict. We're getting the receipts from here. This is a main actor one. quality equals null, nil. Maybe the tag is not equal to 200. Maybe that's going wrong. Saw receipt. Let's check. What's going wrong with the saw receipt? No, it looks like a 200 response. Wouldn't know why it shouldn't be working. Well, let's try it again. Let's send another message, new message. It's recording the response video. Hello. I mean, it's not like we can see it anyway, but the important part is that the check mark disappears immediately when we close the video player. Like it should even start to disappear. Maybe we can turn on the slow animations, because it should start disappearing even before the player opens. Recording the response video. Hello. I mean, it's not like we can see it anyway, but it's still there. The important part is that... And how long does it take to fully disappear? Like a minute or something. Even though saw receipt is returning with status of 200. Yeah, now it disappears. Wow. What's happening there? Something's going wrong. Let's add some debug outputs. Why not? Saw receipt. Print after saw receipt. I wonder what this looks like when it prints it out. Anyway, we probably also want to get printout in the Convo receipts endpoint. Received new receipt. Let's check. I'm guessing I might have to print out JSON for the receipt instead. I'm not entirely sure how to get that, but we'll get there. Oops, nope. It cannot be a video message. Those don't get read receipts. Let's see. Received new receipt. Read receipts. Received new. Let's see. Makes you wonder why this starts disappearing at some point, just randomly. I think it took about a minute. It's probably the timeout. No new messages. Well, that's fucking bizarre. So it seems like the receipts are not reactive. Even though React Stick is published. You know why? because this is a class and it should be a struct. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Let's see. Here's how we're going to do this. We're going to give you an empty array default. We will enumerate. Oh my god. Enumerate it. And then we will for each. And this for each, we get IDX in the down in. There we go. And now it should be reactive. God damn it. This is way too complicated. New message. And I do want to see what happens if we send one right after this time. Yes! Oh my god. It's like instant. And now let's enable the slow animations again. And open this, and it immediately disappears. Okay, perfect. That's amazing. Fix receipts not being reactive. Now everything is reactive because we turned it into struct. Extremely happy with this. Extremely happy. Wow. Okay. So the only thing that's really left is to record reactions for video messages. That's literally all there is left to do. It is a little laggy, which I don't like. How do we make sure it's not laggy anymore? Oh, it keeps recording new video responses. That's why it's laggy. Ah. Let's hope that this works. Make it less laggy. That is. Only record reaction. Let's see. If I tap it now, I mean, we already sent the siege. Well, it still try to send it, even though we already sent the receipt. Maybe is this the fix? Hopefully it is. No green dots. Fuck. Uh, I think this should fix it. Finally, hopefully. I don't even have a guarantee because there's a good chance that there's, yeah, some message in here that I haven't sent the reaction for. But now, hopefully, fingers crossed, we're like fully done sending video reaction. Send duplicate reactions. It just doesn't stop. Why? What's happening? Is there a server set error, maybe? Or can I explain it? No, doesn't seem like it. The file is processed. But it's not sending the receipt. Why is this? That's what I don't get. Oh. That's right. This one. Oh, well, let's try and get it fixed. Okay, now the only thing that we're left to do is to, yeah, send video reactions. We should definitely make sure to stop recording when we close a chat and if the app goes into background mode. I'm not sure what happens if there's a video recording going on and you close the app. I guess in that case it will simply start the recording again from scratch. Okay, we fixed a lot of stuff. We have a very smooth video playback now. I do want to fully brutalize the full screen video player because we haven't added the brutal shadow to this one yet. Let's see that working. And then I'll kind of start to have to get going because that doesn't look great. Because I need to get some food before the event that I'm headed to next. Let's see if it's working now. Should be. Yeah, that looks about right. Oh, interesting. the opacity animation doesn't really work. I've heard, like, I think there's this thing you can do to mask it with a color of black in order to turn it into a flattened view, hopefully. No, that's even worse. I'm sure there's a fix for this. Swift UI, opacity, multiple layers. Mask and transparency. Alpha grading. So I want to try this. Mask. Color dot black. Opacity. Let's see if that makes it better or worse. Hard to say. I mean, it kind of works. It's just like we just need to give this thing a bit of negative padding, like padding f minus. So bold minus 32 because we want to make it bigger. And I think now it's gonna look fine. Yeah, that's good. That's what the play pause button should look like, I guess. Wait, it's still cut off at the bottom, no? Am I stupid? Is that just the... just the way the brutal shadow works? Maybe, probably, fortunately. No, I don't think it's getting any better than that. I think that's a quirk of not having a smooth angle. To it. No. But that's fine anyway. Okay, let's not worry about it anymore. Sure thing. Push. Design. Play pause overlay to be the root list. And what's next? I think we're pretty much done. The only thing we need to do is to persist the video upload and to record reactions for video files. So what I'm thinking is message row, video bubble dot blur radius message seen by me. What? Message has no member seen by me. Read by me. Of course. Because video files are being read. I love to read a nice movie after work. Let's see. I think it should actually work immediately because none of the video files have been read. Yeah, nice. And then you probably want to give it a padding of -10 because the way we avoid the weird borders. Yeah. And then -10. And then we overlay. If not message read by me, a little play button similar to the full screen video player. Play.fill. No need to add a pause. Yeah, and there we go. And now, the first time we view a video, well, I guess it should be locked. Let's go with like 40. The first time we view a video file, we just have to start recording them. Right? Okay, so there is a tap gesture on here, right? What if I had another on-tap gesture here? IO. Wrong window. This is the one I want. I don't think IO is gonna fire. That's my personal guess. Nope. No IO. So I guess we have another tap, which is an optional callback. And we fire it up right here. If message read by me, return. Otherwise, we do the same thing. Var read or line. Message read by me or is not. Yes, sir. Yes. Uh-huh. Yeah, we have it. Let's commit. We're done. The project is complete. We have video reactions. We have everything. Well, we should name this better. Video reactions for video messages. Like, let's check. Ooh, it's recording something. Whoop whoop. Yeah, that's right. And then it is getting marked as red. Soon-ish. Yeah. That's a bit of a problem, actually. Now it finally got marked as red. So well, I mean, I should make sure that it doesn't record something right now. Yeah, it does. The problem is that we never really look. It's not great, but what we can do is just go into the message stage and say we have a new list of IDs, which are message IDs read in this session. And it's actually a set. And then here in the red are mine. Message stage dot change. If return true, return your family messages mine. And this gets added immediately. State dot messages dot read in this session insert message dot read. There we go. Now it should be immediate. So if we take a look at this video up here, as soon as I tap it, oh, you can't tap the play button? That's not great. Well, how about this? Message row. Oh no, weird. There's a on disappear here, no? Oh no, it's actually in the scroll view. Yeah. On disappear. If save state. State. Recorder state dot message dot convo ID is equal to convo ID. Then recorder state dot stop recording. Stop recording. Wait. Stop recording. Let's make sure that this one sets message to no, and that it also cancels the task. Yep, nice. Yeah, this line is very important, otherwise it's going to try to upload things twice. Okay. Okay, wait. The one thing I want to test is, can I actually not tab the play button in the messenger overlay we added? There is a chance that we cannot. Yeah. No. Video bubble overlay. Video bubble. That's right. And I think I just figured out that I need to add a pitch record. Hit gesture allows hit testing. Let's double and triple check. I should be able to send a new video file here. Oh, we can actually check the live reaction. Ooh, it's recording something. Well, it doesn't play because it's the fucking simulator. Whatever. And I'll open this. No recording is being made because I still need to open this. If I tap the button in the middle, nothing happens. Let's allow existing files. Let's see if that makes it any better. And we just got the reaction as well, right? I mean, maybe it's still... I was a little quick on that. Let's see. Now I'll tap exactly in the middle, and actually nothing happens. That's weird. Why? It's so weird. Is this the blur? Huh. Well, that is very weird. What is it? Like, I'm tapping it, it just sometimes doesn't register. Like if I tap on the left side, it's fine. Okay, anyway, let's check if the recording of the video actually works. Ooh. Yes, okay. I probably want to increase the duration of it to be as long as the video. How do we do that? Well, anyway, the one thing I'm concerned about right now is why the heck. For no search that on type is equal to the one thing I'm worried about right now is why did it not? Let's see. What? Oh, if return false. Let's try that again. Oh, man, it's getting late. I've been at this for a while too. Okay, let's try this again. I'm hitting the. Now it's working every time. No, it is not working right now. Why is it not working right now? God damn it. Oh, that's fucked up, dude. Even. Oh, wait, maybe that's. Hmm, that's right. That's probably why, actually. Broken, I guess. Let's try again. Try again. Nope, it's not playing. Well, that's not infuriating at all. Video player allows the testing. False. Same for message row. Overlay. Oh, I'm stupid. Yeah, that's what it's supposed to be. There we go. I think now it's gonna work. Yeah. It allows tightening. It's not the method I want to use. Works. 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 Every time. Video. Okay, nice. I would consider this a win. Very much so. We are. Oh, let me see. Both the screen sharing on. Give me one sec. install another Chrome update? Jesus Christ. Remarkable updates use their stuff too many times, and then the software is still broken. That's the best part about it. What a banger tune. What's it called? Mario Tennis Doubles 1. Galaxy 2 beta song seems to laugh. Yeah, whatever. We get it. Worksheet. Ugh. Let's draw something. Close the note. Sync. In sync. Ensuring no longer active my files. What? Work? It's working. Okay. So we have finished this. Finish this. Finish this. Finish this. Finish this. Nice. We're done with all of this. So the only thing that's left is probably record video reaction length is equal to video length. And then we also want to stop video reaction when player closes. So that you only record when you're actually watching the video. Where's my cursor? There's my cursor. It's not very high, like you have to be right above the paper, but that kind of makes sense. Okay. Record the reaction line, stop reaction when player closed, and then the system task queue. And then the only thing that we're going to do after that is profile. Changes and user search to start a new chat and reactive convos. List screen and iOS deployment. Let's give an estimate of how long these things take. For this, 10 minutes. This, 20 minutes. This, 3 hours. This, 2 hours. User search, 2 hours. This, 2 hours. This, 2 hours. And we have a total of 5, 7, 9, 11. 11.5 hours. It's gonna be a long day whenever I want to finish this. Do I have a day with 11 hours left? No, I do not, except Sunday. No, Saturday. I could also do Saturday. Ooh. I can tomorrow. I can't Thursday. I barely could do it on Friday because I'm headed out early. Just like today. Oops. We committed a debug line. This has to go. Okay, how about this? How about this? I get some food, and then we look at the time and see if there's maybe some time left to do a 1 hour task. The profile changes, for example. So I gotta leave here extremely soon. Well, how long does it take me to get there? It takes me 22 minutes. I gotta leave here at 5. It's now 4:02. I don't have a full hour anymore, except if I don't eat. I have to eat something. Okay, let's worry about it later. Um, how about I try to do some more work tonight when I get back? I'll be back at 9 p.m. I could squeeze in 2 hours of work before I'm going to the gym and headed to bed. Yeah, let's do it that way. I'll be back in 5 hours. How about that? And then we'll probably do a break until Friday, depending on how far we get tonight. Okay. Well, thanks for being here. Gotta upload the VODs, fix the title for the first one, and get some food. Bye-bye. See you later. 5 hours. 5 hours.